Hello, welcome to this video. Here we are going to learn pointers in C. So let's start pointer. We know normal variable is used to store values. For example, in float char, these are the data values can be stored using dif respective data variables. For example, if I declare int a and equal to 10. So somewhere in the memory like this memory location A equal to 10 will be stored. For example, this stored at address 1, 2, 3, 4. This number is nothing but a memory address at which A is equal to 10 is stored. So pointer is a variable that store address or reference of another variable. That means there must be another variable P. P is a variable or pointer variable that points to A. So which is going to store address of A. So pointer always contains address of another variable. That is the normal variable. That therefore pointers are also called as a address variable because they contain address of another variable. So when you say P is a pointer of A, that means value of P must be 1, 2, 3. That means P also stored somewhere in the memory where its value will be 1, 2, 3. That is nothing but P, which in turns going to point, which is going to point A. Declaration of pointer. When we want to use pointer in our program, like normal variable, we'll have to declare it. So there is a syntax of pointer variable declaration, data type star PTR. Now where PTR is identifier or the name given by the user to the pointer variable name. Important here it is star. Star is the indication to the compiler that PTR is not the normal variable, it is a pointer variable. That means it is the distinguished parameter. Then data type. Data type of the PTR or pointer variable is the data type of variable to which PTR is going to point. That means when we are declaring any pointer variable, beforehand we should know to whom or to which kind of data type it is going to point, which kind of data variable it is going to point. So that data type must be mentioned in syntax. For example, suppose if I declare int a. So now in this case, a acts as a normal variable. Okay. And suppose if I declare in some instead of semicolon, if a comma and if I put b, b is also normal variable. So suppose if I put star in front of b, so in this case on single line I am declaring int a and star b. Now star b is going to act as a pointer variable and I wanted to make it point integer variable. That is why I declare in under int. So here there are two variables are declared a and b. Out of that one is a is normal variable and b is pointer variable because that has distinguished factor that is star. Once we declare pointer variable, we have to assign address of another variable so that it could point to that another variable. So for example, suppose if I declare int is equal to 25, comma star PTR. Now here PTR is a normal, not normal variable, it is a pointer variable because of star. So it is PTR going to point to another variable. Now in this case, it is going to point integer variable. Now I want to make it to point to a. So there is a statement that is ptr is equal to and a. This is the method that is and a. It is called address of operator. Ptr is a pointer variable or integer kind of pointer variable which is going to point integer variable. Now in this case, it is going to point a, a because and is the address of or recursive operator which returns the address memory address of variable A and assign to PTR. So, for example, in the memory, A that has value 25 will be stored at address, for example, 1000. So, PTR will have this value 1000 value that could store at some other address. This is immaterial to us right now. So 1000 is the memory address held by PTR, which is nothing but the address of A. So that is why PTR will point to A. So PTR will act as a memory pointer to A. Once we declare pointer variable and assign address of another variable to it, like what we done, PTR make to point to A in previous PPT like this. So how we can use PTR to access this value or read this value pointed by PTR. So we'll see simple example in void main. As usual, we have seen this int a is equal to 25 declare normal variable and star PTR that is the pointer variable. And using this statement PTR is equal to and a that is address of A. Address of A is assigned to PTR. That means this statement will make point PTR to A. And using printf statement, I am printing three different values %d, 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 comma A that is normal variable, star PTR and PTR. Now star is at value at operator. That means here we are using star PTR. Now here in this case, this star signifies that what is value at PTR. Star used in the declaration that tells compiler that PTR is not normal variable, and later on whenever star comes in the program, it tells to the compiler that it is accessing value at PTR. Now value at PTR, that means PTR is having 1000 value, that is memory address, and what is value at 1000 star, that is value at PTR, that is what is value stored at memory address or at the pointer. So in this case, PTR is pointing to A, that means value 25, and PTR is value of PTR. Value of PTR is, so PTR is equal to what? 1000 that we assigned by making this one. Okay, so it is nothing but same. If I want to make x is equal to A, which is same as x is equal to star in bracket address of A. So address of A is, when I say address of A, it is 1000. Okay, so that address of A, what we done, P is equal to 1000, that we are done, or P is equal to return address of A. Okay, and at star at 1000 is nothing but 25. So output will be A, for A it will print 25. For star P, that is value at PTR, is 25, and then value of PTR, value of and value at. Value of PTR is, that is address 1000. Now let's see pointer to pointer or double pointer. We know that pointer hold the address of another normal variable. Now when a pointer hold address of another pointer variable, not the normal variable, then such type of pointer is known as pointer to pointer or double pointer. Now in this case, first pointer contain the address of second pointer, and second pointer which points to the location that contains actual value. So here it is syntax of using double pointer, data type double star or star star, and then pointer variable name semicolon. So double star indicates that it is the pointer to pointer or double pointer. So for example, int star star PTR semicolon. So PTR is going to point another pointer variable. For example, pointer 1, which will hold the address of second pointer, and second pointer will hold the address of actual variable or value. Let's write simple program. Program print variable, value at the point variable, and pointer to point variable. So as usual, I should include in void main I declare int a, then int star ptr, that is single pointer variable, or then in star ptr, that is double pointer variable, then a is equal to 25. I declare all this on separate line. I could declare on same line as well. Now ptr is equal to and a, that is address of a will be assigned to ptr. So ptr will make to point to a. Then pptr is equal to and ptr, that is pptr is a double pointer which is going to point another pointer variable. So here it is another pointer variable is pptr, so that is why address of pptr is assigned to ptr, which pptr is going to point ptr. Then we'll print value of a comma a, so it will display value of a itself. Then printf value available at star ptr, that is star ptr is nothing but value at, so percent d star ptr, value at star ptr. So ptr having the address of a, so value at address of a is nothing but a. Then printf value available at star ptr is equal to percent d star ptr, that is double value at pptr. So pptr is the pointer. So value at pptr is pointer, that is single pointer, and value at that pointer is original variable. So output will be, it will display 25 for first printf, then 25 because value at star ptr, it again display 25, then value at star or double pptr is 25. Thank you for watching this video.